Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a major structural issue with our dormer that we wanted to talk to you about. So as you guys can imagine and have probably noticed, we get the full range of comments on our videos. Everything from nice to mean to constructive criticism. And everybody handles constructive criticism a little bit differently. Some people don't like it, they brush it off, but for us, we like it and we appreciate it. We are not experts and we have a lot to learn, and a lot of you out there have much more experience in building than we do. So there's a lot that we've been able to learn from you guys, and that's great. So after we finished our smaller utility room dormer, we got a comment from a viewer who was concerned about the structural integrity of the dormer. So at first, we didn't really understand the comment and we respectfully disagreed simply because we didn't really understand what he was saying.
And the issue we're having is we beefed up those columns so we can put the header on top and hold the weight to go down. What he was talking about was a vertical weight. So if it's like this, the vertical weight right here coming down like that, it's getting held by only two 2x12s. Yes. That's obviously not enough.
Yes.
That was the issue on that dormer, and also the same dormer for the kitchen dormer also.
Yes, the one that we're currently working on.
Yes.
So that really gave us some pause. We had to step back, do some more research, and then figure out how to fix it. So that is where we are at right now. We are going to head inside. You guys can check out what we did with the dormer. We wanted to go ahead, take down the wall, build up the wall for the dormer for the window, get everything closed back in. You know, it's kind of crazy with weather right now. We're getting the ice and the snow and whatnot, so it's important to get that closed back in and protect the interior of the house, and then we could come back and fix the structural issue.
So what we're doing is we're actually going to triple up the 2x12s on both sides. So right now we have a single 2x12, so we're going to put two more, so it'll be 3 2x12s, and we'll duplicate that on the opposite side also, so we'll have a total of 6 2x12s holding that thing up.
Yep. So that's what we're gonna go take you guys up there, show you what's going on. It's starting to get dark out here. We're gonna get the generator running, get some lights going, and we will hop back in and show you how we have fixed it.
Yep, see ya. Hold it. Hold it. Hold. Hit it. So a double shot hitter quitter.
you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time.
Oh yeah.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
All right, so we got those 2x12s in, and that was a complete and utter pain. We had to actually take those things and angle them through the ridge vent up top, and then pull them back down because it was pretty awful.
Yeah.
We got it in now. So we got this 2x12 is the original one that goes all the way up to the ridge, and then we went ahead and put 3/4 inch OSB in there also in between to give it a little more oomph. We went ahead and then put 2 more 2x12s in there, and we should be good.
Yep. So we've repeated the same process on the opposite side of the dormer and also the smaller dormer that you guys saw us do first. So that's it. Again, we appreciate all of your guys' comments, and we will see you next time.
See ya.